So I just received my AirTurn Duo BT200. These are the things that came with the box. Product catalog, receipt, and that. Register for 2 years warranty. Now, let's see. My AirTurn. Make sure it's empty. Empty. Okay. Here's pair your device. Accessories. Cable. My AirTurn. Cool. Okay, so there's no real manual. Must be pretty self-explanatory. Let's see. Press and hold the power button to turn on. I don't know if it's pre-charged, but let's see. Oh, pre-charged. Does that mean that's on? Okay, maybe it wants to turn. Okay, turn on the host device. Wait, I'm shooting with the host device. Let's see if I can do that. Okay, plan B here. Still blinking because I needed the iPad to link. Turn on the host device's Bluetooth. It's on. Okay, so now something comes up on the list. Another device, accessory, Apple Pencil. Maybe an accessory. Oh yeah, there it is. It says would like to pair with the iPad. Connected. Let's see. Right, don't look at my apps. Don't look. Just kidding. Forscore. Okay, so let's see. Oh, already works. That was easy. That was easy. It was really easy. It was awesome. AirTurn. First try. It worked. Didn't need a manual. Just this. Perfect for people like me.